So coming to the doses of steroids, what would be the dose of steroids? Would the doses differ based on moderate, severe, whether patient is in ERDS or patient is just on oxygen or NIV? What are the doses of steroids to be used, parenteral as well as oral?
Uh, if we take the first wave and second wave, we actually learned quite a bit from the first wave, and probably I learned a lot, and probably a trial and error. And the steroid was never in the cards in the first few months of first wave. And if you look at the steroids, the longest acting is dexamethasone and declamethasone, and
Absolutely.
Dexa is very easily available. And the second comes methylprednisolone and prednisolone. So if you look at all these three, because what we are talking about is inflammatory suppression, which is what we are looking at. And Dexa is the more potent suppressor of him, especially the cytokines. In terms of potency, what we have right now in the various steroid in the market, and dexamethasone at 6 milligram IV or oral itself is actually a good suppressor for cytokines. And if you look at the chronological order of which has a maximum to a lower down, it's actually the dexa equal to beclamethasone. Next comes the pred and methylprednisolone. So,
Okay.
so if somebody has some, Dexa is actually um, across all the severe or moderate ARDS. It doesn't matter the dose. It's actually the fixed dose is enough to uh, cause the suppression. So we need not go for a higher dose in high-end ARDS are on in. And generally we can give for 7 to 10 days, because by the time the cytokine storm settles down, I mean, I would say it's kind of a Randall's curve. Randall's curve is where there is a peak and then goes down. So, like, it has to come down, because if the curve is in the peak, that means that something is wrong, and we may not be able to save the patient. So, the cytokine storm generally comes down once the steroid is started, and usually 7 to 10 days is enough to. Most of the time, the patient comes down, and we need not give a tapering dose, because we are not giving for a long duration.